Hello, and welcome to the PS product demonstration for Command Line Execution Component. Today, you will see how Command Line Execution Process Component can allow running executable files from the command line. This component can be used to launch a Windows command line application and pass required parameters without requiring custom scripting in AutoStore Process Designer. This reduces the amount of services time to deploy a custom configuration which may require such an integration with a third-party utility. We also use command line execution in all of our desktop Print Connect deployments to run the captured PCL through a command line conversion utility to convert the PCL to TIFF format. Let's navigate through the functionalities of this component here. What we have is a very simple configuration. An auto capture consisting of a form which has converts CHM to PDF and contains a box for destination folder for the user to enter. The component passes on the captured file to the command line execution component, which has 3 different tabs. In this example, we are using a third-party tool called CHM to PDF, which can convert a CHM file to a PDF file. What's going to happen here is the CHM file would be converted to a PDF file, and the output file will be sent to the sent to folder component, which will then be routed to the destination folder mentioned in the auto capture. The general tab consists of different boxes here. The first is a combo box, which allows the user to activate the component according to a condition. I can say yes, I can say true, I can have various conditions here. The execution path is a real path which has to be entered for the executable file to be run. In this case, we are using a CHM to PDF converter, and the exe file is mentioned here along with the full path. The next box is for the parameters that might go with the execution. So here we have source as well as the destination folders, which will be required to pass along with the execution on the command line. The source path is a ROT for full path, and the destination is a temporary location for dumping the output PDF file, which can then be routed to folder in the send to folder component. The timeout feature here down there is a unique feature, and that actually is used to run the executable file during a period of time. And when the timeout expires, the component stops its work and the documents are sent to subsequent components in the workflow. The Start button can be used to test the running of the executable file. And the next tab would be Document. In this case, the Hide Original checkbox, when selected, it does not let the original documents pass to the workflow. The Attach Files can be used by the user to attach files using this Browse button here, and those files will be attached to subsequent workflow components. The Preserve Attached File checkbox can be used to preserve the attached files in the source path. The Authentication tab allows the user to specify if they want to run the executable file of the external application using the current workflow service account or some another account. Once that's taken care of, the send to folder component can be configured for the destination folder from the auto capture ROTs, and then we can move on to sample files and choose a help file, a CHM format file, to send to the form. Once we do that, we can enter the output folder here, the destination folder. When submitted, the status monitor shows the results and says that the document was processed. We can go on to output folder and open it up. Here is the output PDF file, and this is how it looks. We're using a trial version, so that's why the message. This completes our conversion from CHM to PDF without using any custom scripting. Thank you for your time today. And if you require further information on the PS customization, you can download the PS catalog and reach out to your NSi regional sales point of contact to request a quotation for PS software and services.